When you hear the name Mack, you probably picture a massive, heavy-duty semi-truck rolling down the highway with power and purpose. But imagine that same level of toughness, engineering, and road presence packed into a bold new pickup design. Meet the concept of the Mack Pickup, a truck that dares to challenge the norms of the consumer pickup segment. Welcome to Auto Analyst, your home for smart car talk, where we break down the designs, tech, and power that move the auto industry forward. The Mack Pickup isn't just a fantasy anymore. While not officially released, the concept has sparked serious conversation in truck circles. Designed with the same brute DNA that built Mack's reputation in the commercial world, this pickup combines ruggedness with a new-age design language that redefines what a workhorse can look like. From the outside, the Mack Pickup is massive, wider, taller, and bolder than most consumer trucks. The oversized front grille pays homage to Mack's signature bulldog style, with LED lights sculpted into sharp lines that give the truck a military-grade appearance. Chunky fenders, all-terrain tires, and a lifted stance complete the aggressive profile. This truck doesn't blend in, it dominates the road. Under the hood, there's talk of a turbocharged diesel engine inspired by Mack's own powertrains, possibly a six-cylinder or even a downsized V8. Some rumors suggest a hybrid diesel-electric setup for added torque and lower emissions, which would make it one of the most advanced pickups on the road if it becomes reality. With towing capacities expected to push far beyond the 15,000-pound mark, it would target both off-road adventurers and commercial buyers. Inside, the concept leans toward utility with luxury. Durable materials, exposed bolts, digital screens, and tactical switchgear suggest a cabin built for real-world abuse, but still packed with tech. Picture a digital dash, built-in air compressors, rear tool storage, and even a workstation in the rear bed. It's a work truck, elevated. Mack's potential move into the consumer pickup market could shake things up. While Ford, Ram, and Chevy dominate the scene, a brand like Mack would appeal to a niche of buyers who want something more industrial, more unapologetically strong, and different from the status quo. And let's not forget the brand power. Mack has built trucks for over a century,